Hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 17 till the 23rd of August 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. Will find the links below, and for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass too, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Six of Pentacles. This is somebody who is feeling like the situation is not balanced, and they might be feeling like you are giving it to other people more, or you are not giving that much to them the way they deserve it. So there's lack of equal give and take of energy according to them in the situation, and they feel like you're not giving them the kind of attention and love that they deserve. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles as their feelings. We have the Four of Wands, the Eight of Swords, the Three of Wands. They're super confused about the idea of commitment. If you guys are already committed, they feel like maybe this is not a good idea to continue the same. They are overthinking about the situation, continuously thinking negative about the situation between you and them, and they're looking forward to have some kind of solution in this direction. Now this person is have tried many times to leave the situation behind, but they are not able to do so. They have tried many times to be in the situation, but they are not able to do so. That is why they are feeling highly confused and highly in this energy of I don't know what to do. But they feel like this commitment is not getting in a proper direction the way it should be. Okay, I'm sorry, I lost the words. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Wheel of Fortune. From your side, you feel like the energies are shifting, the emotions are shifting, everything is changing. Nothing is the same as it used to be, and nothing is ever going to be the same again. Your emotions and energies towards the situation are shifting completely from what they used to be. Let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune. Or you're feeling the person that you're connected to, they're not the same, or their feelings or energies towards you are not the same. Let's clarify. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Star card, the King of Wands. Yes, you also feel like there's lack of equal give and take of energy in the situation, but you still somehow feel connected to this person on a spiritual level. You feel like there's a soul tie between you guys, there's a soul connection between you guys, and you still feel very attracted, very infatuated to the idea of being with this person. But your ego, or you can say your pride, or your mind, you can say, is not allowing you to fully open up to the idea of being with this person. Both of you are feeling the changes, both of you are feeling the shifts in the within the dynamics. Both of you are still very much attached to each other, but both of you are not able to figure out what to do about the unstable and lack of equal give and take of kind of energy, what to do about that. But maybe you used to be very involved in the situation first, but now your priorities are changing, your energies are shifting, and both of you can sense it. You, it's happening mostly from your side, where your priorities, your energies, your emotions, your thoughts are shifting from what they used to be to a totally different dimension. You're still attached, you still feel a soul connection, but you are not in this zone of giving all of your time, efforts, and energy to this situation only. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Seven of Cups. This person wants to come out of this emotional confusion and all over the place kind of energy. They definitely want to get out of this all over the place kind of energies. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups as their intentions. We have the Six of Swords, the Ace of Wands, the Page of Wands. Yes, they want to move on towards calmer water. They want to start again. They want to start this connection all over again with you with a very innocent, childlike, friendly kind of energy. They don't want any heavy and burdensome and draining kind of energies in the situation anymore. They definitely want to like have a confusion free, light-hearted, beautiful, positive kind of a connection with you, where both of you are on the same page and living this connection in a very beautiful, loving, caring, but without pressure kind of a way. Now, I don't know what that means, but this person doesn't want any kind of pressure. They don't want any kind of burden or heavy energies around the dynamics at all, not for the time being. They want light-hearted, friendly, loving, nurturing kind of energies. Hmm. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? We have the King of Wands. From your side, you just want to keep doing your own thing. Just want to keep it doing your own thing, and you just want to follow your heart. Wherever your heart is leading you, you are open to the idea of going there. Okay? Just want to follow your heart and just take life as it's coming. Ready to take the actions in order to make things happen that you feel are good for you. Let's clarify the King of Wands as your intentions. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, the Four of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, you just want to let go of the control. You want to create a stable base for your life step by step, and you are ready to take the necessary actions in order to go in this direction step by step, slowly but surely. And you are opening up to the idea of releasing and surrender, to releasing those people, situations, or things that you cannot control or change or do anything about. So you just want to live in the surrender mode, you just want to live in the letting go mode, and you just want to be in this energy of following your heart and creating a beautiful, stable base for your life. That's really good. That's really cool. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 23rd of August 2026. We have the Strength card. This is your energy only. This is like you guys trying to calm down your inner lion. You just taming your, facing your fears head on, and not operating from any kind of fear or insecurity in your life. Let's clarify the Strength as a potential outcome for you guys, Leo. We have the Two of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. Yes, there is a connection that's fairly important for you, but you guys are right now in the surrender mode, that if something is supposed to happen, it will happen. If it is not supposed to happen, I am shifting all of my focus on myself, especially on your money, job, career, finances, and your overall stability in your life. So it's like coming back to yourself, Leo. I think you're doing it from a very long time. I'm getting the same repetitive messages again and again and again from week over week, and a lot of you guys get pissed off, like, yeah, you're telling the same story from last 1 year. Because if the collective energy is not going to shift, I cannot change the story. If you don't like it, get the fuck out of here. Nobody is telling you to stay here. No one, no one, no one. Any one of you have any problem with anything that I do on this channel, you are welcome to leave and never come back. In fact, block me and my channel. Okay, honey? So you guys are very patiently moving towards the goal of your own stability. For most of you, it's related to your finances. Maybe you are planning to like take properties, buy properties. You are just trying to secure your future here. Right now, love is on the back seat. Yes, there is someone that's quite important for you, but you are like, okay, letting things be and allowing it to unfold naturally the way it should, hmm, without interfering. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, for this situation, Leo. We have the Queen of Cups and the Two of Swords and the Four of Cups. Yes, that's a really good idea. Whatever you are choosing to do is a really good idea. Okay, your self-love, self-care, self-healing mode, and this time and space that you're giving yourself is going to give you a lot of clarity in the coming future, and you will be able to get out of this disappointment mode of your life, where you keep on choosing certain people or situations or things, and you get disappointed all over again and again and again. So this time for yourself, this healing space for yourself is going to give you the clarity and the understanding of making better choices, better decisions in your emotional area with each passing day. So it's really a good thing that you are doing. Just a gentle reminder that you might feel overwhelmed from time to time. You might feel like you things are not shifting that much, or that much changes are not happening the way you want it. It's completely normal. Don't get derailed from the idea of healing yourself properly, getting your life sorted properly, and letting things be. It's okay to feel lost and confused from time to time. The good thing here is that you got your back, you have yourself, and you will be able to come back to yourself whenever you want to. Okay. So just because things are not getting aligned right in front of you just like that, it doesn't mean it's not working. It is. It takes time to have deep shifts, deep changes in your life. It takes time. Okay. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Leo. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, you can take the message as a guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is not the right time, I think, to be in a relationship. In this one, I don't know about others. Sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. That's a message for you. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.